Kia ora, what's your name?
My name's Paula.
Paula, you need to turn. There we go. Is she beautiful? This is the beautiful Paula. Everyone say kia ora, Paula.
And what's your name, mister?
Dion.
Kia ora, Dion.
Paula, did you have some tamariki that we were performing tonight?
Yes, my niece is in Bishop Dale School.
Your niece is in Bishop Dale. Okay, cool.
What about you, Dion? Who are you here for?
Tamati Taka and Hamuera Taka.
Which
Burnham
school?
Burnham School.
Okay, Burnham School.
Whoa,
The one that had the
welcome.
whole school. Oh, there they are up there. Okay, no pressure. Now you're probably wondering, what are we going to do to win this prize? It is very simple. It is called a kani or dance competition. All right? And there's a little song that we'll play in a minute. Just a second. You have got 30 seconds each to convince this crowd that you are worthy, deserving of the day pass to take your whānau to Te Matatini in March 2015. Who's going to win?
All right, you can do it.
All right, before we play the music, we need to decide who is going to go first. So, Inky Pinky Ponky, Daddy caught a donkey, donkey died, Daddy cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. Oh! Sorry, what? Now you need to come to the stage here, the middle of the stage, and when we count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then we'll hit the music. Are you ready? Christchurch, here we go! In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds!
By the way, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Give them a big round of applause. That's the 30 seconds on. Let's cut the track. Come on over, Paula, no pressure. Get ready, Christchurch. Family show, by the way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just
Clap along,
fine.
everybody.
Oh!
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Give a big round of applause for Paula.
Bring me down. Can't none bring me down.
All right, decision time. Who's going to take home the day pass to Matatini? Who do you think's the winner? All right. Shh. Okay, here we go. Make some noise if you think the winner is Paula.
Nice.
Make some noise if you think the winner is Dion.
Dion.
Congratulations, Donna, Dion. Thank you, Paula. Well done. Thank you, Dion. Give them a big round of applause.
Awesome. That was great.